This is a set of replacement parts for the Shark Matrix 2-in-1 vacuums. I was sent this set to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $17. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinion remains my own. Alright, so in the bag we have a little cleaning tool, which looks like it has like a hair cutter and then a brush that would be useful for getting in deep into the collection box. We have 6 of these little replacement spinny bristle brushes. We have 3 of these replacement filters for the dust collection box. And this here is a beater brush that goes in the bottom of the vacuum and spins around. And so it has the blue piece here and then the white piece there that doesn't turn. So I'm kind of excited about this brush because I've found it's very difficult to get the stuff out from underneath this guy, and this brush is nice and long, so I can reach in there and knock all that stuff out. And so I think that brush is definitely going to be useful for cleaning out in that little kind of hard to get crevice back there. I'm pretty sure that's exactly what it's designed for. Okay, now they also have these little filters here, so let's try this replacement filter, make sure that fits appropriately. So it looks very similar. It snaps in there quite well. So yeah, I think that's going to fit just fine. Alright, so this is the OEM beater brush. And you can see it's a different color, but appearance-wise it looks very similar. And this guy just fits in there. And let's see, I think it snaps in like that. So yeah, that looks like it fits and connects to the gearing just right. Yeah, it looks like it's going to work pretty well. Yep, so that beater brush is working just fine.